friends, welcome back to Window. Welcome to our new and fresh video, guys. Yes guys, your boy is back with another new and fresh video. And today I'm going to show you an authentic Mangalorean ripe mango curry, and this is a must try for those who love the combination of sweet, savory flavors. And yeah, this is a unique recipe from southern part of India for every mango lovers. So these mangoes are slightly different compared to the normal ones and only found down the south. These mangoes are very ripe, juicy and are smaller in size, and we call this as wild mangoes. And if you folks who don't get hands on these wild mangoes can choose between different variety of mangoes but smaller in size and gets the job done. If you try this recipe once, you will have 3 times straight for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I recommend you guys, before preparing this recipe, to get a lot of ripe mangoes. And basically I would prefer to sit on the floor with some steamed rice, a fried chicken and mango curry and just dig in. So without further ado, let's see how to prepare this Mangalorean ripe mango curry.
To prepare Mangalore style ripe mango curry, we require 1 kg or 10 to 15 ripe mangoes. Now first, the most basic step is to wash these mangoes thoroughly, because we are going to use the skin later for cooking. Now the next step is to peel the mangoes as shown in the video. Collect the mangoes in one bowl and the peeled skin of these mangoes in another bowl. Now add little water to the bowl containing skin and add salt as per the requirement and squeeze or rub against each other till it extracts juice from it. Once you are done extracting the juice from the skin of these mangoes, transfer the juice to the bowl containing the mangoes. Now the final process is to prepare the masala for the mango curry. So in a blender, add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 8 to 10 dry red chilies and 1 medium sized onion. Add little water and smooth blend all these ingredients together. And now transfer this masala to the bowl. Add little water to the blender and dilute it with the leftover masala and transfer this water to the bowl. And now mix it nice and thoroughly. Finally, the yummy and juicy Mangalore style ripe mango curry is ready to serve.